Safepal versus Binance. In this video, I'm going to compare Safepal and Binance. Safepal and Binance serve different roles in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, but both are widely used by crypto enthusiasts. Safepal is a hardware wallet that allows users to securely store their cryptocurrencies offline. It focuses on providing top-notch security with private keys stored in a hardware device that remains disconnected from the internet. Safepal also supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and allows users to manage their assets through the Safepal app. With its offline storage, QR code-based transactions, and seed phrase backup, Safepal is designed for users who prioritize the security of their crypto holdings. On the other hand, Binance is a popular cryptocurrency exchange where users can buy, sell, and trade a wide range of digital currencies. It offers advanced trading features, including spot trading, futures, staking, and lending. Binance also supports a large selection of cryptocurrencies and provides easy access to decentralized finance services. While Binance is more focused on trading and managing assets on the platform, it does include a wallet feature called Binance Wallet, but this is primarily for storing assets on the exchange itself. Safepal is ideal for secure offline storage of cryptocurrencies, while Binance is a comprehensive exchange platform for trading and accessing various crypto services. Your choice between the two depends on whether you need a secure storage solution, which is Safepal, or a robust trading platform, which is Binance.